Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick review on the low range off-road Toyota differential armor. So this is the low range off-road Toyota differential armor. It is a weld-on kit, not necessarily a kit, but it's just a plate that they fabricate, you buy, and then you weld onto your axle yourself. When you purchase one of these differential armors, you also get a fill hole bolt from, I think it's like Trail Gear. It's an alright product for the price. It does its job. It protects your differential from all the rocks. I've bashed this against many rocks and it's been fine. So if you're looking for an affordable diff armor that you can weld on yourself, I do recommend the low range off-road differential armor. But I do have one big complaint and some things I would definitely do differently in the future. So if you can see, the top of this is opened up a lot, and that helps dirt and mud and rocks and sticks and all the stuff of nature to just fall inside and just get gathered up in there. Same with this hole. As you can see, I mean, it's got chunks and chunks of stuff falling out of this, and it's full up to there. And I think that is an issue. I think that's gonna cause rust. If I were to do it again, I would purchase one that does not have this giant hole on the top and then it covers up the entire differential, but also one that has some kind of sleeve that goes into the fill bolt or the check bolt that you can also just weld to the front of the diff so that you don't have stuff falling inside. I mean, it's probably not that big of a deal. You're gonna spray it out with the hose, maybe not weld the whole thing, just leave a little vent or something in the bottom for it to leak out. So if you are in the market for differential armor for your Toyota axle, front or rear, because that does work on the front axle or the rear axle, I would recommend buying it from Low Range Off-Road. But if you're looking for a little more protection and you don't want that dirt to fall in, I'd shop elsewhere. That is a good budget piece of armor that you just weld on yourself. And if you're on a budget and you just want a little protection, I recommend it. I'm sorry for such a short video today. I don't have a lot of time, so I figured I'd review a product that I purchased and installed on here and let you guys know if it's good or not. And that answer is it's good, but it could be better. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like if this helped you at all. Have a good one.